Is the RX8 a good first car? Some say yes, some say no, but it really depends from what perspective you are looking at it. So today we're gonna look at it from an experienced owner's perspective and see what we can conclude. Every teen's dream is to get a sports car right after acquiring a driver's license, because good tuna ain't cheap. So the first point I want to tackle is driving experience. The RX8 is a sports car, but unlike others, it does not have that much low-end torque to get you in trouble. So as a daily, it's perfect. But we all know that the fun starts at 6,000 RPM. And although the RX8's handling capability is amongst the best, when roads get wet, it can get quite tail happy. Logically, if you want to have experience in controlling a rear-wheel drive car, you have to gain that experience in a rear-wheel drive car. So if you're dead set on getting an RX8 as your first car, then buy it and take the course where they make you go through various possible scenarios you can encounter, so you'll learn how your car reacts to certain situations, how to gain back control if you lose it, and you'll get to know your car better and see where its limits are. All this in a safe and controlled environment so that you don't endanger yourself or others. After that course and with the experience gained, some of your driving habits will change, but in a good way, and then you'll be able to drive your RX8 like it's meant to. On the other hand, you also have the option to buy a normal car, drive it for 1 or 2 years, make all the beginner's mistakes. If you dent it or scratch it, it won't be a big deal, etc. And then once you get a hold of it, get an RX8 as a reward. The next point to cover is the financial cost. If you don't have a regular job with a relatively good paycheck, detailing it and insuring it, depending on where you live, will make a big hole in your wallet and you won't get to enjoy the best years of your youth because of it. You're young only once and you can get an RX8 at any point in your life. So if you're dead set on becoming a car guy and spending a good portion of your paycheck on your RX8, it's fine, you know what you're getting yourself into, and if you don't mind it, go for it. If detailing your RX8 will be too much of an issue, then you can do like me and many others and get a scooter or second economical car. This way you'll be able to live a normal life that won't break the bank and still get to enjoy your RX8 when you want it to. But if you just want it because of the looks, because you can get it cheap, have some rear-wheel drive fling, then once reality kicks in, you're gonna be disappointed and you'll understand why it was so cheap to begin with. So if you're not financially prepared to invest in your car after you purchase, this is not the car for you. The third point I want to cover is dedication. If you're prepared to put some extra effort to keep your car running in the best possible way, then go for it. But if you want something that serves you to go from point A to point B and you can't be bothered to do regular checkups, keep track of maintenance, or spend extra money to fix a problem when it happens, then you're better off with another car. Because the point of buying a car is to buy something that fits your personality. Not every car is for everyone, but that's why we have such a big car selection. In an RX8 ownership, you serve the RX8, not the other way around. With that out of the way, the RX8 is a spacious car, very comfortable, very pleasing on long journeys, has an amazing sound, lots of modern features inside the cabin, you can fit 4 people inside, and it's one of the best handling cars of its era. And on top of that, the RX8 has a great community across all platforms. You got DIY videos on YouTube for practically everything you would like to attempt to do yourself. So dear future RX8 owners, we got you covered. Leave a like if this video answered your question, subscribe to see more fresh RX8 videos, and feel free to check out my channel for more rotary content.